Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I just ran into a chair, but if you're new here, my name is Bianca. You guys should totally subscribe and stick around, and if you guys are always here, welcome back. So we are on day 2, full day 2 of Grand Cayman. We're about to go head to the gym. My mom's already there, surprisingly, but we are gonna make our way down there. We're gonna like do some legs, and then yeah, I don't really know what we got going on today, but we're excited. So I'm gonna get ready for the gym though. Wearing my gray Whitney Simmons outfit. Made it to the gym. Right now we're supersetting calf raises on this Smith machine with hip thrust right there. Just did a quick change. My bathing suit is from PacSun, and yeah, here's today's look. I did this like weird braid situation to my hair. I didn't really have that much time to like conquer it, so it looks a little funky, but I'm probably gonna take it out when we start doing life anyway. So we're gonna head downstairs. Never mind. We just spent the morning. I wasn't vlogging because we need this lens to Colin and I are switching back and forth with his camera, but we're using his nice 4K super high quality badass camera to film this travel diary, which means when we're filming that I can't, did I lock it and I just don't know, or am I being dumb? Needs the lens. So we spent like the morning getting those shots. I'm a little all over the place right now and I'm starving. So anyways, now we finished up with that. We got a bunch of shots of the resort, and that was like the goal for today for the thing. Colin's directing it. I told him he's in charge. And then now we're just gonna go to the pool. No, but now we're actually gonna like relax and stuff. But I think that we're gonna go try and do the stingray thing another day, hopefully. And I found a tour that takes you to the barrier reef too, so I thought that that would be like pretty fun. So now we're just headed to relax, and I'm very, very excited about it, and probably snack, like share something, drink, snack, eat food. My favorite things to do. Already worked out. We just tried to take some underwater pictures. I don't know, look at Colin's Instagram, you'll see.
Some of them look strange.
Yeah, here we're sitting by the pool, but we've decided we're gonna beach it instead. There's, excuse me, sorry, mainly because my camera is hot. Pools everywhere, and there's not beaches everywhere. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Where's my little hairband? Oh God, send help. The picture I just posted of me and Colin on the beach chair, like kissing and stuff, my ring from Ana Luisa that I literally don't take off because I love it, it was on my left hand, and what? Oh. Anyways, someone was coming, so I stopped vlogging. But my dad sent me a screenshot of the picture, and he was like, oh, cute pic. And I sent back the emoji that was like this, and I was like, thank you. And then he zoomed in on my finger, and he was like, even cuter. And I was like, oh my God, Dad, I'm not engaged. Like, this is literally like not an engagement ring. And then he's like, oh, it was funny. Other news, here's our little setup. Colin's gonna be over there. Super close to the beach today. To actually go eat lunch like at the restaurant that's over there though, instead of them bringing us food, because the mojitos are a lot bigger in size than the plastic cups you get at the beach. I haven't told him that yet though. Hi. In that last clip, the woman came up behind me and I was like thinking she was you, so I was talking to you, but it was actually her. Yeah, it was really embarrassing. Yeah, I swear. You can see it when I'm editing. But
is that what she said hello again?
Yes.
Oh my God.
I'm so awkward.
I was wondering, I was like, I didn't remember having her before.
Oh yeah. It's because I'm stupid. Anyways, we just ordered quesadillas and chicken and chicken quesadillas and chips and guac
Yeah.
to share as like a snack, and we got 2 drinks. But my mom should be back soon. She went on the snorkeling tour, and yeah, we just saved
got
her
a
seats,
nice front
so.
seats. Did you already show them where we're at?
Oh yeah, I told them that our situation is pretty nice.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yum. Would you believe me if I said Colin blow dried my hair while I did my makeup? He's a champ. I don't know if you saw that on my Instagram story. I had to shout him out. But I know he was hungry, and so I like kind of whined and convinced him to come help me blow dry my hair, and then he sat there while I finished my makeup and just brushed my hair. I was in heaven. I was like, okay, I can be with you forever. So anyways, yeah, I just showered. We got ready because I'm assuming we're gonna like go to dinner tonight. Plus I told Colin that I do like cool outfit pics, you know, and there's like this cool area near where we always eat our food and stuff. Elevator music. Okay, 1 second. Guys, there's roosters everywhere on this island. Like seriously, is it too bright? I don't know. Can't see. Whatever, you guys know what I look like anyway. And they're all over. They like just run and they cock-a-doodle-doo like all day long. But I kind of like it. A mojito a day keeps the doctor away.
Or 5.
Or 10. Appetizer, chicken tacos. So good, so good.
I haven't tried it.
Well, try it. Good?
It's really good.
Good. He was a little hangry. Hello?
Same bird from me.
Do not feed it.
I'm not.
Okay, good.
Oh, if he comes over here, he's a brave little motherfucker. I'm gonna hit him if he comes over
Do
here.
not hit him.
If he came right here, I'd smack him.
What if it's a girl? Started feeding him. Just putting it right there. Is he not giving it?
Whoa.
Did he just say something?
Look, you see it? I made a little path. Come on, look, he's coming. You see him?
Get it. Oh. You're so close. Come on. Throw it a little closer to him. You're so close. You're so close. Oh my god, so quick. Oh my god. This is what we do in our free time. We edit pictures. We're so fun. But actually, so we are just waiting for my mom to get done with her like Isagenix meetings, and then we're gonna go scope out some sushi or Spanish food. In the elevator, okay, first of all, let me just let you know the inside scoop about this place. This place is great. Ooh, is that my mom? It's Haven. I really like this place, but I got some things to tell you about it. First of all, it's very expensive. And I know that Grand Cayman's an expensive country, but this isn't like an all-inclusive resort, so you have to like pay for your...
We're spending a lot.
Yeah.
Like a lot.
You have to pay for your food everywhere you go. And there's only 2 restaurants, and one of them's like breakfast and dinner only, and it's like reservation, so I'm assuming it's super expensive. We haven't been there yet. Then the other one's on the beach, and you can order from your beach chairs, but it's just really expensive. So we decided we want to go explore the island. Obviously we're going to do that anyway, but just because like the food is so expensive, and I think besides the crab dip, I've ordered like everything on the menu that I want to try, and it's all amazing, and the drinks are really, really good. They're just really expensive too. So if you're gonna come here, just know that you're gonna be dropping a dime every time you're hungry.
Like a lot.
I'm honestly very thankful though that like we got the opportunity to come here.
Oh yeah.
When my mom earned these rooms, because I know they would be expensive if we had to pay for like them in full price. Like my mom earned this room. Like we were staying in this room for free because through work she earned it, which is kind of dope. Go Cindy. But that's why Colin and I came, is because she did. And then she was like, if you guys come, like, you're just gonna have to buy your plane tickets and your food. And we're like, we're good. Yep. So I'm glad that we came with that opportunity, because I don't think we would have been able to come here if it wasn't for that. At least, like, not now. Probably in a couple years, but just not now. Yeah. But I'm just letting you guys know. Don't think that, like, we're rich and have this, like, awesome vacation, because we are so thankful we are here. But we do want to travel to some more places. And we've got, like, an ongoing list going. Oh, I think my mom just texted me. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. Oh, she's coming up the elevator call. Oh shit. I just wanted to be real with you, because this place is not cheap, and I knew it wasn't cheap. My parents, when they were married, they went here on their honeymoon, and my mom even said, like, way back then it was so expensive still. So I'm happy we have this opportunity now, because I don't even know what it would have been like. We would have been true. I would have maxed out my credit card.
Very true.
Yikes.
Got my hat on though, so my face
Oh my
is
god,
white.
this camera isn't even doing it justice. Here, let me turn down the... Can you even see? Look, here's my mom's room, but she's kind of made it a mess. But it's helping a lot. It's totally like ours, just with
bigger.
2-bedroom, 2 beds.
Room for one person.
Woo! I'll vlog you later.
It's actually true.
Flex for the camera. Oh, we are going to eat at Calypso. So my sorority sister Whitley, if you're watching this, yeah, Whitley, if you're watching this, we're going to Calypso Grill right now for dinner. So here, looks like this. Ooh, oh, on the water. Mojito.
A what?
Mojito. Is our dinner area. This is so cool. Look, we're like right on the water. We've come to this. Okay, it's so dark, guys. I'm gonna have to film later. We're eating lobster bisque. You can just barely see it. So bad. There, we're eating some food. It's really good, but it's so dark. I'll record later. We got back to the resort, and there was literally puppies in the lobby. Anyways, there was these little puppies that got rescued. There was
So, needless to say, we spent 2 hours down there.
No, we spent like 15 minutes.
Oh, it was like 30.
30. Okay, anyways, my mom's probably still down there. We're going to Philip Ice, but that restaurant, Calypso,
is fire.
A1. Good, good. Can't wait to try out more restaurants. We're gonna go get ice really quick and then get ready for bed. Uno momento. Just got ready for bed. Brought the Target PJs, of course. Of course. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. A couple more Cayman vlogs to come. We don't leave until Wednesday, and today's Friday. So, doing good things over here. But make sure you're subscribed and you stick around and you join the fam, because I can certainly tell you, you don't want to miss any videos coming soon. And I will see you guys tomorrow in the next one.